I'll be completely honest with you. I tire of doing technical flashlight reviews. Flashlights are amazing and I think they're really cool, but there's so many channels out there that do a lot more than I do. They use light meters, they have all this outdoor footage of them using the flashlights in different environments, and they show every mode, every function, they take out the battery, they go through it, and that's just not me. To me, flashlights are definitely a tool, but they're also something fun. There's something fidgety and nice about something that can light your way and be used in an emergency situation, but is also just really fun to play with. And that's what brought me to pick up the Sofirn SE1 16th Anniversary Limited Collector's Box. So what I'm here to do today is do a full unboxing and let you know my initial impressions of this collector's box and what I think about it, what's the vibe, how do I like it. So let's get into it. So because this is such a cool box, I thought it would be awesome to do the unboxing. Like I said, this is the Sofirn SE1 16th Anniversary Limited Edition Collector's Box. And when I say limited edition, I mean limited edition. There was only 1,000 of these made, and if you look on the front here, they're also individually numbered. Since I got a test copy directly from Sofirn, thanks for sending that out, mine doesn't have the little number here, but yours will. So only 1,000 of these were made, so you know you're getting in on something unique and special. And this gift box retails for $46.99, but if you get in right at launch, which is today, it's 15% off and you can get it for $39.99. This is the exclusive red copper edition, and the red copper is so beautiful that it ages and patinas beautifully over time, so it makes it really unique and really yours. So let's take a look at everything that's in the box. Take a look at the box itself. You have the nice little design on the front. It's got the copper accents. It says Sofirn SE1 16th Anniversary Limited Gift Box. It's a really nice box that has all the different copper accents all over the edges of the box. It has all of the technical specs listed on the back. And then there's this little 16th anniversary sticker that has everything sealed. So let's remove that. Put that sticker to the side, and then we can lift off the lid here and take a look at what's inside. You have this nice little wax-coated paper that says Sofirn in copper color on the top here, covering everything up, so we can move that to the side. And look at this. It has this embossed Sofirn logo on this little paper card here, as well as the 16th anniversary logo. That's one of those wax seals that they stamped on there. So I'm going to open this for the first time. I feel bad ruining this, but, you know, I want to see what's in there. So if you open it up, it says, "Dear Sofirn friend, thank you for standing with us through 16 years of building, learning, and improving. Your trust, your feedback, and the way you use our lights in real life have shaped Sofirn more than anything else. To mark this anniversary, we made this limited 16th anniversary gift as a small tribute to you. We didn't create it to look high-tech. We created it to reflect what we believe in, designed for specific use scenarios, powered by core performance, ready for what matters most. That's why it may feel simple at first glance, because it's built around real use, not feature stacking. And that's why we chose copper for the entire set. Copper doesn't stay pristine. It records time. Every carry mark, every shift in tone becomes uniquely yours. A quiet reminder that the best gear isn't just owned, it's lived with. Warmth and honesty were our beginning, and they will remain our future. We'll keep building for easy use, true practicality, and lasting durability, so our lights can stay with you year after year. With heartfelt gratitude, Qidong Yang, founder of Sofirn." It's a really nice note. I love the verbiage they use, and I've been a Sofirn user for a long time, and I really do love their flashlights, and I think they definitely live up to everything that they call out in this letter here. So that's a really cool little personalized note there. And then underneath where that card was, there's this little deep cutout that says Sofirn again in that copper color in the bottom there. They also give you this awesome little challenge coin here, which is definitely going into my collection. I love having challenge coins in my EDC kits. Not because they're particularly useful for any one thing, but they're just cool, and if you want to flip a coin and make a decision, you have that on hand. And also the texture is really nice. It's got really cool designs on this side with the 16th anniversary logo. And the other side is just the Sofirn logo. Everything about it is just very premium. I love this copper feel to everything. It just feels great in the hand. Then on the other side, you have the little flashlight itself. Let me grab a knife to cut this open. And here's the cool little flashlight itself. And then I get that nice satisfying feeling to peel off the little plastic cover on one side, open up the flashlight. And it's so beautiful looking. I love the way this copper looks. It's got the little USB-C port right there. And it's just really cool. You have the little sun symbol with the Sofirn on the front. Everything about this is like very premium. You have the SE1 engraved on the one side. And this just looks so cool. So let me see if this turns on. Oh yeah, if you just hold the button, the nice white light comes on. So I want to see what modes this has. If you press it once, you get the nice white light. Press it again to turn it off. I can click it a few times and it looks like it goes into a lock mode. Yeah, and it has that cool stepless dimming too if you hold it in. And then I really like too that on the outside of it, there's this little RGB ring that lets you know its different functions. It gives you some visibility to where this thing is. So overall, a really cool flashlight. This is a nice little flashlight just to throw in your pocket. It's got 300 lumen max output. I mentioned that RGB signal ring and the white light. And I just love how it's such a minimal UI. You only have to press one button. I get really sick of those ones where you have to press like 50 different buttons and they're hard to use. This one's really easy. And then it also comes with this cool little clip thing. This is what they call the quick release clip module system. So all you have to do is put the flashlight inside of here, and there's like a nice little magnet and it clips in there with a nice force. And then you can easily clip this anywhere you want. Clip it to a backpack, a sling, clip it to your shirt, clip it to a necklace, clip it to a watch band. There's so many different ways you could use this, and it just makes it really useful. So then you can just click it when it's on the little clip. There you go. Looks like there's a UV light as well. And to keep on your wrist or on your necklace or anywhere you want to keep this little thing, like as a bike light or on your backpack or sling, that's really cool. And that's not the only tricks you have in store in this little box. If you take out this foam padding, there's even more accessories. So you have this cool little carabiner here that can go with it. And it actually has a little blade on one side. So if you needed something to open packages or just a little knife on the go, you have that as well. And that's really cool. It's got a bottle opener, some hex drivers, a little carabiner, and a way to attach it to a keychain. Also looks like there's a little flathead as well as a Phillips head screwdriver on the end. So it's a really cool little multi-tool carabiner. Then you have a watch strap. So that makes it really easy to make this into a watch, as I mentioned earlier. So with that cool clip system, you can just thread this watch strap through here. And then all you have to do is thread it back through this side. You have a nice little watch band here that's adjustable, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. And then you can put this right in there. Boom, you got it like a little wristwatch. If you need light on the go, all these different color RGBs are so cool. There's like this rainbow one, there's a red one, there's a green one, there's blinking red and blue if you're like fixing your car on the side of the road and you need someone to see you in the dark. So there's a lot of safety features to this thing, and it's really freaking cool. And then you just have the regular white light too. So it's really neat that you can wear this as a wristwatch, or you can just use it as a little clip-on, make a necklace out of it, whatever you want. And then the last thing in this box, open this up and see what's inside. You have the USB-C recharging cable. You have a nice little lanyard attachment for it that can go through the side of it if you wanted to make it into a keychain, and it's got a split ring on one side. You have one of those ball and chain kind of things where you can make it into a necklace. So again, it's easy to make this thing into a necklace. One of those little ball-y chain connectors, that's pretty cool. And you just have some documentation, the README and the instruction manual. So overall, just a really nice little package, I think. So I think this was an overall really awesome collector's box that they released. I think the copper accents are beautiful. Everything about this is beautiful. The packaging is super nice, super premium. I love the little challenge coin. And overall, this is just a really nice little set. Very collectible, very nice to have on hand. So a big thank you to Sofirn for sending this out to me. And this is definitely going to go into my flashlight collection. How do you feel about flashlights? Do you prefer more technical reviews or do you like more of a vibe check? I only get excited by flashlights that are unique and seem fun and are easy to use. So I'd much rather people give me their like real world use cases versus just like technical breakdowns. So that's what I'm trying to do here today, and that's what I'm trying to do going forward with any flashlight reviews. What do you think of the little Sofirn SE1? What do you think of the quick release clip module system? What do you think of this gift box overall? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I'm really happy to add this to my collection. It's very small, it's cool, it's minimal, and I like all the premium touches on it. Sofirn's a great flashlight company, and if you want to get a bit of a discount, use the affiliate link in the description below. Thank you as always for coming along this journey with me, for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.